Hello, this is a quick video overview of week 12. As always, before you complete our task, please come up here and click on our online weekly checklist. When you click on that, you're going to see our checklist for this week. Now, you're going to notice you have two tasks this week. The first task is an APA abstract. Now, we have been asked by other departments, such as the psychology department, the science department, as well as the history department, to just offer you a brief exposure to APA documentation. And that's what you're going to do with this particular assignment. It's in no way like a research paper. It's just a very short assignment. It's a 3-page assignment, which just includes a title page, a brief abstract, which is just a paragraph summary, as well as a reference page. The second assignment is going to be the online discussion. Now, the online discussion, if it's been a while since you remember kind of the guidelines of a good online discussion, you may want to go back into our class and look at week 1 and look underneath the module 5, which was about like netiquette. And remember, there's a handout that overviews like how to write an appropriate online discussion. Now, when you click on the online discussion, you are going to notice that the topic is going to be something that relates to the article that you find for your APA abstract. So that means you're going to have to complete the APA abstract first before you do the online discussion. You're probably going to notice that the topic for the APA abstract, it relates to you finding an article that overviews tips of how to do well in a job interview. All of our assignments this semester have hopefully helped you in making some decisions in regards to your educational path, also your professional route that you want to take, maybe even what city where you want to live. Also, your past assignments as far as not essays, but professional writings. You've written a cover letter, you've also written a resume as well as a visual resume. Those are assignments that are going to get your foot into the door to get the job interview. Again, the first thing that the employer is going to see is your cover letter, your resume, as well as your visual resume. And those are going to make a great impression if they're written well. But I have been on many interview committees, and sometimes the candidate, the job candidate, sounds like they're going to be awesome based on just the paper, like the resume, the cover letter. But when they walk in as a job candidate, sometimes they bomb the interview. And I don't want you to be one of those individuals where you're great in writing a resume and cover letter, but you walk in the door and you just completely bomb on the interview. And I don't want you to be that an individual. So that's why I'm asking you to go online, and you're going to use our databases to research articles that give you tips on how to be a better job interviewer, and hopefully that will help you one day get the job of your dreams. So again, just make sure that you find that article for the abstract, and then later you're going to share the tips that you found from those articles for your APA abstract with your classmates, because you're going to learn from each other. All of you are likely going to be graduating, going out to find a job, and I want y'all to benefit each other by teaching each other about the tips that you learn from these articles about how to be a good job interviewee. So as far as this assignment, the APA abstract, it is to teach you some APA style formatting, like another research style besides MLA, but also it's to serve you in learning how to be a good job interviewee, because we want you to do well in your job search and also to get the job. And the online discussion is just going to be a way for you to share your findings with your classmates so y'all can learn from each other. As always, if you have any questions about either assignment, I will be happy to answer those, and I look forward to reading your online discussions and also reading your APA abstracts. Thank you.